Hey, if you're looking for a working Hostinger coupon code or a genuine Hostinger review, let me quickly explain how to get the best deal. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of their plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll also get an additional 20% referral discount automatically at checkout. In this Hostinger review, the biggest advantage is how simple everything is. You get fast website speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, LiteSpeed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, so you can create a website even without technical experience. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner of the page and select your country. The prices update instantly. Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting options available. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.